Okay, I was playing that night, and this girl was so rude. If you see this, I freaking hate you. And yeah, she was being so mean to me. She's like, you died like 1,000 times. I'm like, leave me alone. It's myself. I don't care if I die. It's just a game. Because she was literally dead for like 2 hours. And I got revived, and I was so close to getting a ruby chest out of the Cortez castle. But I died as soon as the gate opened, and then the other girl took it. And I told her I was going to get it because I've never had a ruby chest before, and she took it. I'm so mad. I was literally so freaking mad. Wait, I got all the kids. No ruby chest, just gold chests. I had a ray gun. I had 2 knives. I had a strong axe. I had a giant sack. I had a strong flashlight. I had a rifle and everything. I freaking died. My highest scores on my old phone was 247, but I got today 241. But yeah, bye.